वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि what material is available on IM Illustrative Mathematics and how we can access all the material for free. Okay, so first of all we have to go to its website. Here I would like to give you a disclaimer. Don't search illustrativemathematics.com or don't go to its website. Rather, what you need to do, you will write im.kindlehunt.com. So this is the website, like from where you can get all the material of illustrative mathematics. Just to memorize it, let me share what is the web link is. IM means illustrative mathematics, then Kindle Hunt is the publisher of illustrative mathematics, and that is .com. Then click OK. Okay, when you will open this web link, you will come to this Kindle Hunt publishers page. Then here you will find a login button, so click it. On here you will provide this mathematics at the rate qbhhss.edu.pk. This is the user name for illustrative mathematics, and I will share the password in private with all of you, though I have already shared, but I will again share if you have forgotten. Please do ask. Then you will click on submit. Okay, then you can see that there is no login button. This is sign out button. It means we have logged in. And then you can move, scroll down, and you will see here are three different kind of curriculum. K5 means from kindergarten to class 5, then 6 to 8, 6, 7 and 8 middle, and then there is a higher for algebra 1, geometry and algebra 2. So where from you want to get any resource, you can just go to that particular grade and then you can look for that particular unit. Let's for example search for system of linear equations here. So definitely my assumption is that it should be in class 8 or somewhere, so I am going directly to there first. Launch curriculum, and then you will see there are some material for students. So this is for students. If the students want to work by their own, so they can get material from here. This is for families, so if families want to work at home for their child, so they can get material from here rather just completing and repeating the homework, so they can get activities from here. And there is a material for educators, for teachers material, right? So you can see there are three grades, 6, 7 and 8. So my assumption is that for system of linear equation I should go to grade 8, because in my region in Pakistan it is in grade 8, so I am checking in the same grade first. Okay, here you can see that there are some units: rigid transformation and congruence, dilation, similarities and introducing slope, and so on. So you will see there are different units as compared to what we have in our single national curriculum or in our book. So you cannot search for exact topic or exact chapter here. You have to look for here you will see what is included in this particular unit. So you can go through these and you can make sense whether this topic is about system of linear equation or not, right? So if you look after, you will see this is linear equations and linear systems. So it is looking somewhere similar like what I'm looking for system of linear equation. And if you look at some points that are available in this unit, you will see the system of linear equations, right? So I will go to this unit. When I go to any unit, I get three resources here: lesson plans, all the lesson plans of this unit, then I have some other resources, and then I have some assessments जिसको आप exams कहते हैं, right? So I before going to any particular lesson, I would like to show you the resources IM provides here. So go to resources, and here you will see all the material is available for free. Teacher's guide is like a lesson plan, all the assessments that are available for this particular thing, and the unit as a glance. If you want to understand what is in the unit, so there is a description, blackline master, all the cards and all the material that you need to print and cut out for your students, so you can get prints from one click. You will get all the required material of this particular unit from here. Then lesson plans, printable lesson plans are here. Okay, then there is a PowerPoint presentation. You know that with each presentation, with each lesson plans, there is a presentation with prompts and pictures. So you can get all the presentation of all of these units from here. Okay, some external links are here also, some slides that you want to play online, rather downloading the website, the PowerPoint. And then there's a teacher's presentable presentation material. Like for example, this is a complete teacher's guide. It will provide you each and every detail about the units, like for example why any activity is here, what is objective, what do you want to achieve. And this is about lesson plan. It is more focused about your instructional routine that you need to focus in your classroom, right, and material you need to deliver. And this is teachers presentable material, like whatever you need to show to your student, which is also in PowerPoint presentation. So if somehow presentation could not be played, so you can use this material to show them pictures or show them PDF file, right? Okay, then there is a cool down. You can see this is a cool down. So cool down is like in short assessment embedded in every day's lesson plan. So if you want to see all the cool downs, you can download all the cool downs of this unit from here. This is accumulative practice problems. You know that with each lesson we have some practice problems. So as per your own need of your students, like for example if your student needs more practice, so you can get some of the resources from here, some of the questions from here, and then you can provide that to your students. Then learning targets, whatever learning targets are here in this in each lesson plan, so you can see from here. Student task statement, whatever student needs to do, if you want to see, so it will be available here. And teacher family support material. In short, whatever you need, everything is available here. And if you, let's move to the next tab, which is of assessments. Okay, so this is our assessment tab. Here you can see we have different assessments, like at least there should be four assessments, four kind of assessments. Here you will see check your readiness. Before starting any unit, you can take out material from this assessment. You can take out this assessment and conduct a short assessment in your classroom so that you can have an idea whether your students are ready for that particular content or not. So before starting the unit, you can go with it. Then there is check for your readiness. There is a part B, because you can have two parts so that you can easily provide in your class. There is no chance of taking help from each other, so it will be more concrete data that you will get from these sort of assessments. Then here you have end of unit assessment, like when the unit will end up, then you will have this assessment. So before starting unit you have some assessment, and when you end the unit you will get this assessment. So you will have assessment of these sort. You will also have some checkpoints. When you will go to lesson plans, you will also find some checkpoints, so it will also be helpful. I will show you later. Now let's move on to the lesson plans now. Okay, so here you can see we were looking for the lesson plan of system of linear equations. So here you can see here has three different sections. Okay, so here I have complete section for system of linear equations. So I can start, for example, this is what I wanted, so I can start from here. So here is the lesson plan. When we open lesson plan, so are also three tabs. The first tab is of preparation. This is for teacher. So you will have lesson narrative here, learning goals here, student facing learning goals here, material that you may require in this lesson plan, prepared required preparation, like if you need material and you need to organize it in some way for your students, so it will mention here. Okay, so they are learning targets that you need to monitor, grocery that you will introducing in this particular unit, and then all the material that you required for this lesson plan that I show you earlier. It was all the material for the whole unit. And when you go to lesson plan in preparation tab, you will find everything that you required for that particular lesson plan: student task statement, commutative practice problem set, cool down, teacher's guide and presentation material, and presentations, right? So everything is here and you can easily download it from here. Now let's move on to see what is lesson plan, so that we can see whether it is fulfilling our requirement or not. Then you will go to lesson, and here is the lesson. Then you can see the lesson is comprised of three parts, as I have already discussed. So this is warm up, then this is how you launch this, and this is what a student will see when you show them. This is in the presentation, and these are the expected responses, and then this is how you need to synthesize the activity. So everything that you need is available in this lesson plan. and if you need to do some practice questions, so you can take practice questions from here. So this is one thing that you will not find. Let me show you. In preparation you will find the lesson goals. From here you can see, comprehend that solving a system of linear equation means finding values of variables that makes both equations true at the same time. So this is the objective. You might not find as it is in your own curriculum, but you have to match and make sense, like this is just the same what I want my students to have in, right? So you have to read that, and then you have to do take plans accordingly. In the I hope you have understood everything. If you need any questions, please mention in the comment below, or let me know otherwise, so that I can record another video on that particular thing. In the last of the video, I would like to give you another hint that you can easily find lesson plans on illustrative mathematics. So what you will do, you will simply go to google.com. Sorry, I have made a spelling mistake. Okay, so google.com. Here, for example, you need a plan for Pythagorean theorem, so you will write Pythagorean theorem. Simply write the main keyword for that theorem, and आगे you will write illustrative mathematics. Illustrative, right? Okay, then you will click enter, and you will see it will show you some of the things, and you can browse, and you will see this is task, so this is not a lesson plan. And here you can see it is showing me a lesson plan from uh, accelerated grade 7 grade unit. It is available there, and it is showing me the lesson numbers where I might find this thing. So you can simply go and you can look for what he is showing. For example, this is showing this week your student will work with Pythagorean theorem, which describes the relationship between the two sides of any right triangle. So you can see it might be my lesson, so you can click on it, and it is showing you the lesson plan. Okay, so if this is the lesson plan that you require, so it's good enough. And if it is not, then you can move backward or forward to look for the exact lesson plan that you need. So I hope this video is helpful. If you need any further clarifications, please do let me know, so that I can record another video for you. Thank you so much, and best of luck for your new sessions, and for best of luck for your classes. Thank you so much.